I got the FBINSE car stereo installed in my wife's truck. But our truck model come with a smaller stereo than my truck, and it didn't have the backup camera and the factory built-in microphone. The model of car stereo that I have in my 2019 Dodge Ram Classic is the 5-inch. I would like to thank FBINSE for sponsoring the second stereo and see if it works with the factory features. Now we're pretty much going to skip the removal of the whole stereo. If you want to know more about it, you can go and look at my 2016 installation video for my wife's truck. Pretty much the only thing that's different is I have a few extra plug in here because I got the turn dial for putting it in gear, the 4-wheel drive, and the electric brake from factory. But it's not too complicated because those plugs can only go at one spot. The only thing to know is this plug here to put it in gear is actually this one, and there's actually a lock tab before you can press to release it. So you just push it up and then you can release your plug. Okay, so we have the FBINSE radio connected now and it's on. The backup camera and the Bluetooth microphone all come through this main harness. Out of this harness, you're going to have this cable, which is the signal from your backup camera. Cam FBINSE Plus. So you'll have two yellow wires, one of them the CVBS in, and also the video out. Both of those wires will go to this white plug right here. They connect together into this harness. Well, they're not the one for your backup camera. The backup camera one is the one that is not labeled. It goes to the last plug towards your steering wheel onto the radio and have the two small blue wire on each side. So now if I put my truck into reverse, you'll see that the camera comes in. I can turn the steering and the lines are gonna turn with the steering in the back of it. Now there's multiple line that comes with factory all pre-installed. If we'll go back into park, I will show you where you have to go. So you go on the side, you go to setting, car setting, and then if you scroll at the bottom, there's dynamic reverse auxiliary line that is going to be turned on. Turn this off, and a reverse line that's also turned on. Also turn this off, and that's going to make it so that you just have the factory build-up line into your camera. Now the two microphones in the ceiling are also going to work, but this radio is going to give you a small echo or static sound out of them. There's not too much to do to fix that. The radio itself looks awesome. You can change the display here, what it looks like. There's tons of choice. You can play YouTube, but you have to hotspot it with your phone. And if you just go on Bluetooth, you can click Z-Link, and that's gonna mirror some of the app that you have on your phone, like for example map. So at the end of the day, I'm really happy to have do the upgrade. The screen is way better. It's gonna be easier to see the backup camera when I back up to attach to my boat trailer. So if you're looking for a really cool, affordable option for upgrading your car stereo, well, this is the way to go.